Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to learn homograph, but if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's learn it. A homograph is a word that has the same spelling as another word but has a different meaning. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a homograph refers to a word that has the same spelling as another word but it will have different meaning and pronunciation. You need to remember that the spelling of both words will be same but the meaning and pronunciation will be different. Just look at these examples. Live and lev. You can see, both words have similar spelling but they have different meaning and pronunciation. Basically, the word live means transmitted or without recording or editing. And the word lev means to remain alive. Present and present. The word present means existing and the word present means a gift. You can see these words have same spellings but different meanings and pronunciations. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.